Here we go. About to make scrambled eggs this morning. Mama likes scrambled eggs for breakfast.
Scrambled egg sandwich.
Scrambled egg sandwich. She's
Eat
got
it
a
right.
pot toast in the toaster. She's got to flop some butter in the pan. She's got the pan on the burner already preheating. Oh yeah, you see that butter sizzling down. Egg. Yeah. Her toast pop too.
You gotta push it down one more time for me.
Sizzle, baby, sizzle. In the pan. You go full 2 times on your toast.
No. You can probably talk about me.
Yeah, 2 whole times is too much. Salt, pepper. Oh yeah. Pretty pretty. Now she's about to grab a knife and mayonnaise that bread up.
Well, I'm a spoon girl, but yeah.
Oh, yeah, she spoons, I forgot. She all about that spoon.
Cause you can do that with a spoon and get it out of.
Sometimes your mama teach you stuff like, little stuff like that. Well, it's funny because my mama, her, always taught me to use a knife when I was little and growing up.
And I said,
now I'm fixing to be 42 in 11 days, and now I find out all these years later. Well, I found out about 2 years ago actually, but y'all, it still blew my mind. My mama uses a dang spoon. She switched on me. She taught me to use a butter knife. Now she uses a spoon.
That's
She's weird.
I told you don't dig in the mayonnaise.
She's just weird.
You would just dig down in the middle of the mayonnaise jar, and I didn't want you to do that.
Well, it don't even matter. Everybody dig with a knife. What are you doing with a spoon? You digging too?
Well, I have to have mine. I have to have it
Look,
spread out all the way.
It's got to be a certain way. She like it with extra mayo. I do too, but I use a knife. And then look, she just folded that egg over and fit right up on that bread. Now she got her sandwich.
Mama about to eat.
And Mama about to eat and we out. Later.